So I'm back with another free AI video generator. You can create any type of video with this tool or recreate the video. You can also make an AI influencer with this tool. So let's dive in. Search Google Flow, click on the first link. You will see interface like this. Click on new project. Then interface like this will be in front of you. Upload images as I have uploaded. Click on agent. Then write prompt, use a video. Now mention the image which I have uploaded recently using @ symbol, holding. Then mention the next image. Then type Aura Bright Whitening Serum in her hand and she is talking directly in the lens. Then write lines that the woman will speak about the product. Now click here and select the video ratio. There are 5 options. You can choose any of them. I'm going to choose YouTube size, which is 16:9, and select the video quantity, that how many videos do you want to generate. 1 for me, and it's done.
Hydration, brightness, and confidence, all in one single drop. Real skin, real results.
So using this method, you can create any type of video. Now let's move to the next generation. Here first I have generated image through this tool. Then generate video using this image. Here are the results. This is the image and this is the video. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any query about this topic, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.